Microsoft has made significant investments in AI research over the past few months, including Cosmos 2, which visualizes spatial concepts and includes its own input on them, and LongMem, which gives infinite context length. You can train your AI models using Orca 13b, which is open source. When it comes to AI, the tech behemoth with headquarters in Redmond is in the lead. It recently announced a collaboration with Meta to create Llama 2, one of the most advanced LLMs to date with 70 billion parameters. Additionally, it now appears that Microsoft is funding Project RUMI, an AI model that can include paralinguistic information into its interactions. This is a significant advancement in AI that will help other models get closer to having response times that are comparable to humans. What is Microsoft Project RUMI? Microsoft Project RUMI is a large language model capable of integrating all of your physical expressions to form an opinion on your attitude and then respond to you accordingly. This means that if you come off as angry, the model will actually read your facial expression, and it will listen to your voice tone, and then it will form an answer that goes according to your attitude. Project RUMI does this by accessing your microphone and webcam, and it will actually record your face to make sense of physical expressions. Microsoft patented Project RUMI in an effort to alleviate the input-related constraints of the existing AI models. For instance, when you ask Bing AI to do something, it is unable to observe your facial expressions and hear your voice tone. As a result, its response will sound rather robotic and non-human. Microsoft Project RUMI uses current technological tools to record your facial expressions in order to overcome these constraints. In exchange, Project RUMI picks up on facial emotions and bases its behavior on them. An LLM, Project RUMI will be utilized to train further AI models. So you'll soon be able to communicate with an AI that mimics a person. How cool does it sound? How do you feel? Let us look into multimodal paralinguistic prompting for large language models. Large language models are potent neural networks that produce natural language and have been shown to be useful in a variety of fields. Many facets of human civilization and culture are being revolutionized, including the introduction of a whole new interaction model between humans and computers, turning natural language into the most powerful productivity tool on the planet. LLMs do have certain restrictions though, as they might not always get the subtleties and context of a discourse. Their effectiveness is also influenced by the standard and specificity of user input, or prompt. The information that the user enters into the LLM is a lexical entry, which is incomplete in that it lacks all the paralinguistic information, including intonation, gestures, facial expressions, and everything else besides the words themselves that contributes to the meaning and intentions of the speaker. This can cause the LLM to read things incorrectly, grasp things incorrectly, or respond inappropriately. With the aim of enhancing communication, Project RUMI combines paralinguistic input into a prompt-based interaction with LLMs. In this era of AI as a co-pilot, providing this context is essential for increasing LLM capabilities. The non-verbal cues that are derived from data streams are detected and analyzed by our system, which uses separately trained audio and vision-based models. The models generate relevant paralinguistic tokens to supplement the conventional lexical prompt input to already existing LLMs like GPT-4 and assess sentiment from cognitive and physiological data in real time. The richness and nuance of human communication are added to the prompt, elevating the level of human-AI interaction. Future research will focus on enhancing the functionality of current models and incorporating extra signals such as HRV or heart rate variability, which is acquired from conventional video, as well as cognitive and environmental sensing. In the future generation of AI interaction, conveying implicit meaning and intention is crucial. What are large language models used for? Large language models are performing the hard work for AI applications that summarize articles, write stories, and have lengthy dialogues. A large language model, or LLM, is a deep learning system that uses knowledge gleaned from enormous datasets to recognize, condense, translate, predict, and generate text and other types of content. Among the most effective uses of transformer models are large language models. They can also be used to understand proteins, create software, and a plethora of other things in addition to teaching AIs human languages. Large language models are utilized in software development, healthcare, and many other industries, in addition to speeding up natural language processing applications like translation, chatbots, and AI assistants. LLMs are also assisting in the development of reinventing search engines, tutoring chatbots, composition tools for novels, songs, poetry, and other types of writing, as well as marketing materials. How do large language models work? Massive amounts of data are used to train large language models. The magnitude of the dataset that is used to train an LLM is crucial, as suggested by its name. However, along with AI, the concept of large is expanding. Large language models are now routinely trained on datasets big enough to contain almost all of the online writing over a long period of time. Unsupervised learning, which is when a model is given a dataset without specific instructions on what to do with it, is used to feed such vast amounts of text into the AI system. A big language model learns words using this technique, as well as the connections between any ideas they represent. The training of large language models for particular applications can also be done through strategies like fine-tuning or prompt tuning, which involves providing the model small amounts of data to concentrate on. The transformer model architecture serves as the foundation for the biggest and most potent LLMs because of its efficiency in processing sequences in parallel. What are the top applications for large language models? New opportunities are being made possible by large language models in fields including search engines, natural language processing, healthcare, robotics, and code generation. A broad language model is used in applications like the well-known ChatGPT AI chatbot. It can be applied to numerous tasks involving natural language processing. Large language models can be used by search engines to deliver more succinct, human-like responses. Large language models can be trained by life science researchers to comprehend proteins, molecules, DNA, and RNA. Marketers can train a huge language model to categorize products based on product descriptions or group customer requests and feedback into clusters. Using extensive language models, financial advisors can summarize earnings calls and write up crucial meetings. Additionally, LLMs can be used by credit card companies for fraud analysis and anomaly identification to safeguard customers. Legal teams can employ extensive language models to aid in scribing and paraphrasing legal documents. Let's examine the state of AI research at Microsoft. AI is present in almost all of the technologies that we use on a daily basis as a result of decades of work in the computer research community. Large-scale AI innovations are accelerating new waves of research and innovation. Large-scale AI innovations have radically changed every Microsoft product. However, we think that many more developments are both feasible and necessary to fully realize AI's promise for helping individuals, groups, and society at large. In order to better understand the nature of this emerging form of intelligence, Microsoft Research is researching unique ways. They anticipate this phenomena to grow with the development of future models. To do this, they are less dependent on traditional benchmarking and more motivated by research on human intelligence, as well as by the prediction and observation of natural phenomena. Have you ever used an AI product from Microsoft? Please share your experiences in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.